Good day, I'm Dr. T and welcome to my office. So when we think about organic chemistry, we easily overlook one of the more interesting little reactions, and that is the neutralization reaction, because there are organic bases and organic acids. Typically organic acids, they're going to be, your acid functional group. So you're going to have, something. Remember, R just means generic stuff. And you're going to have C double bond O and then C bonded to an H. Or I should say an OH. And these can react with a base. Bases typically contain nitrogen. So you have a nitrogen, you'll have some R groups on it. I'm going to make this a primary amine. It doesn't have to be. Primary amines are a popular base, but they're not the only one in town. And essentially here you have what really feels like a nucleophilic substitution, even though we don't call it that. The lone pair on the nitrogen attacks the hydrogen from the acid. The electrons from the hydrogen go over to the oxygen, and bada boom, bada bang, it grabs it. So then you have acid in the O8 form, so it's now the ion. And then the base picks up a proton, which now means it's in its salt form as well. A couple applications here. One, you notice I didn't draw water in here. Unlike, in an aqueous solution where water is usually what's piggybacking the hydrogen, this actually is going to be more of a direct response. And I will say this is just one example. Second, an interesting feature that is for the culinary application. Amines typically have kind of a fishy, rotting flesh smell / taste. So if you eat fish, it has this fishy flavor. Some people like a fishy flavor. Also, amines typically have a bit of a bitter flavor. So if you eat spinach, you've got lots of nitrogen containing compounds. Now, by switching those into their salt form, by making them do a neutralization reaction, you get rid of the fish flavor, you get rid of the bitterness. That's why fish and spinach and lots of foods that have lots of nitrogen containing compounds in them typically are served with acid. That way they go into the nitrogen salt form and the fish doesn't taste fishy, it tastes lemony and delicious, or tartar saucy and delicious. And the spinach just tastes, good, instead of ugh. So yeah, neutralization reactions are a bit of the unsung reactions in organic chemistry. And with that said, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in later videos.